Good morning, guys. This is the mobile application that we have developed it through these days for a agriculture consultancy shop. This is the logo of that shop. Here we have shown the login page of our application. Here we can log in if we already a user is exist. Here we can enter the email address and password, and then we can log in. If you are new to the application, we can go to register button and register a new user. Here we can give a username, email ID, enter phone number, password, and confirm password. Here we have added some validation part. For example, in the email address, if we didn't give the format of the email correctly, it will not allow us to register. For example, if we delete that add button, it will not allow us. Let's see. Here it show the error message, and the password also we have to give the correct password in the confirmation password field. And we have at the mobile phone also as a validation part. If we as we using it in Sri Lanka, it only allows 10 digit numbers. So if we add more than 10 or less than 10, it will not allow. Okay, let's see how to register in the correct format. Here, if we registered successfully, it will show a message. And if we give an error or any errors the username or password, username or email ID already exists, it will show registration failed and the reason for the failure. Okay, now we have successfully registered, and let log in to that email address. Here we have added forgot password function also, but I will explain that in the last part of the user module. This is the home page of our mobile application. Here we have choose the choose the green color as a app bar because we have dealing with the agriculture plant, so green is more suitable for this in our perspective, so we have choose the green color. In the start of the home page, there's a banner like offer name. Here we can add offer for plants and equipments. In the admin panel, we can change the offer rate, and if we update the offer rate in that admin panel, it will automatically shown in this user page. For example, here 10% for all plants and 9% for all equipments. Here in the plants and the recent if you see the recent plants, the price of the normal price will be shown, and if we book that plant, the price will be reducted according to the offer that we have given. And let's see, it's a shop for some equipments, and there are some categories of plants we have divided the plants into, and we can see that from there. If we click the equipment button, it will redirect us to the equipment page, and here all the equipment that we have in the shop will be shown, and we can search whatever equipment we need. We can search here. And the price and the quantity will be shown, and like this all the categories will be shown in like flowering plants, rare plants. We can search and we can see the price and quantity that we are available. And in the recent plants section, it will show the last 10 plants that we have uploaded newly. It will be shown as a recent plant. But no worries if the plants which we have added earlier will not be given out, it will be shown in the shop for, and we can see those things in the category wise. And then if we click a plant, we can get to the screen, and here we can book any plants in pre-order. In case if any user living in long distance from that shop, he can pre-order those things for safety. For example, if we see a plant and he come to the shop next day, that plants have probability of being sold out. So for uh, reduce this problem, he can pre-order those things, and he can click the quantity, and he can pre-order those things. Let's see that here. Those number will be changed for the quantity that current shop have available. For example, if the plant have 49 part, it will show 49. If this plant have 60 products, it will be shown up to 59. Let's see how to book. Here we can select the quantity and book. It will show the confirm booking screen, and here we can book easily. But we have set and boundary level to reduce fake orders. We have reduced and we have put in boundary level as if any user book quantity of any plants of quantity of 15, he had to pay the full amount in advance, because in recent days we have found some fraud orders. So if they do like that, and we just book and preoccupy those things and didn't give it to the other user, it will affect the shop and the user also. So in order to those things, we have given boundary level of 15 quantity, and if he order 8 plants or 9 plants, but the value of the plant increase in 15,000, it will also redirect us to the booking payment gateway. Here let's see the quantity of 15, it will show us to pay. Here I have yes, here if we want to continue booking, we have to pay, but we can book up to 15. In case of 16, it will redirect us to pay. Let's see the payment gateway next one, and if let's go to the draw part. Here we can change the account details through my account widgets. If we click the my account widget, we can change the profile picture and username, contact number. Here we can change the profile picture. Alert box shown that profile picture updated successfully, and we can change the username and contact number through the edit details button. We can change those things, and we can often change the password too. To change the password, we have to know the current password. Then the pre-order bookings. In that pre-order bookings field, those things that we have booked pre-orderly will be displayed there. Here, the total amount without discount will be shown as 800 rupees. But when we book now, it will just see the discount amount, that is 10%. It will show the final price with the discount as the shop provide. Here, the actual price is 800, but the 10% value is 80. So it deduct that 80 rupees and show the price with the discount. And here the quantity that we have that the user have preferred, and the payment which shows incomplete. That means he has not need to pay in advance. He can pay the payment in the shop directly. and these things will be shown in the pre-order bookings. Then next we can see the consultancy booking. In this shop, we have provided some field experts in the agriculture to contact and get some ideas through him. So if we want to do those things, we can book some experts to talk about our field or farm or something. We can gather some knowledges through the experts. So for that, we have to book them. So in this field, we can book them. Let's see how to book. If we book and we can pick a date. Here, some dates are not available because the not available dates means that in those days the field expert is not available at the shop, and you can see the color difference. That not available date, we can't go for that not available dates, and we can go for the available dates. And let's see if we book a random date and give okay, and we can select a time period. Here we have to give our details. And if we click the book now, the booking will be successful and it will show to the admin also. Here it will show our recent booking in this consulting booking page. And then just move on to the notification. For notification, for every login, every user login in a device, it will provide a FCM token, and it will be shown to the admin, and through the admin can send notification to the user. For example, if a user buy any rare plants, something like orchids or something, and the admin can send notifications that in this time you have to put fertilizers. In this time you have to use pesticides, and those things he can provide some notification to the user by identifying the FCM token of the email address. For example, if I buy a orchid, it will be saved and be shown to the admin through the admin panel as my email address and things that I have bought. So as the admin see the admin panel, and he can get an idea that what are the things that he have bought. And if I bought the orchid, and then okay, he had to get a notification like this, so he can send the notification through this thing. Let's see explainable for the notification in the last time, because it can be shown in the admin panel. Next, here we can see the chat box. Any user can collaborate with the admin. He can send send messages to the admin, and the admin can reply for it. Here, all the messages that all the users have sent been also shown. So we can come to a conclusion that yes, these are the messages that I can send to the admin like this. So I can come to the conclusion, and I can contact with the admin in a polite manner. Here, this message will be shown to the admin panel, and when we see the admin panel, we can reply to him from the admin panel. Let's see that next. Now we see the about us page. Here we in the about us page, this is a normal page that we have provided our mission and our services that we have done. And in the contact us, when we click the mobile phone icon, it will redirect us to the mobile phone application and the number that our shop owner have. And then if we click the Facebook button and mail button, it will redirect us to the page of that shop. Let's see the another one. Here, rate us button. In the rate us button, the user can give polite and his faithful rating to the shop. Yes. And here he can see the recent ratings also. So he can come to the conclusion that it's providing a service in a nice manner to all the users. And he can also post the rating. By submit, it will give a alert box as rating is required. We have to, the rating is compulsory, and the feedback. So here the rating is submitted successfully. It can be viewed from the admin panel. Here the recent ratings have been updated. And then the QR code. Here we can generate our QR code. When a user newly registered to the application, a QR code automatically generated. And if we show this QR code to the shopkeeper, and he have access to the admin panel, he will scan this QR code from his mobile phone, and he come to a conclusion that what are the things that he have booked and what are the consultancy services he got. Those things he can gather from that QR code. For this function, we have added this QR code. For example, if there is some people in the shop and I don't like to waste my time, I can simply show this QR code to the shopkeeper, and he scan this QR code, and he can get the things that I have ordered to him, and he can proceed the payment or something. So it will reduce my time. And in the app bar, let's see the app bar. We have added the search bar icon, and here we can search all the plants. We have done this only for the plants because there are so many categories in the plants, but equipments, there's only one category in equipment. So we can search those equipment from the clicking that equipment but category. But in plants, we can search in all the categories. And then add to cart button. Here, let's see, this add to cart button remains empty. But if we go to the plant and click that add to cart button, it will be shown in that cart function. Here, it will be shown in the cart function. There's a button like finishing the cart, add to cart icon. If we click that button, it will reduce that quantity from that cart function. Here, the total is being shown from all the products. And here, if we click the book button, we can those things will be migrated from add to cart button to the pre-order bookings. Here also, if those quantity exceeded to the 15, it will be redirected us to the payment gateway. Okay, here card is cleared, and it's have been migrated to the pre-order bookings. And we have added the dark mode theme in order to give a comfortable eyesight. Here we can see those things. It's pretty in trend to all the applications, so that we have added. It will give a comfortable eyesight to the users in our perspective. So we have added this one. And let's see the payment gateway. If we, as you know, if we order the things above 15,000 or 15 products, it will redirect us to the payment gateway. Here, if we click the continue booking button, it will redirect us to the payment gateway with PayPal. If we click that PayPal account, it will redirect us to a PayPal account. And here, the user should have a PayPal account, and he will log in into the email address and password that he has to his account, and he can log in, and then he can proceed his payment. Okay. to the email address. Let's see that. Here, reset password, but for PCL. If we click that link, it will redirect us to reset the password. Here we can reset our password, new password. And we can now sign in with our new password. We can log in with this new password. These are the functions that we have added to the mobile application of a user page. And let's see what are the functions that we have added to the admin panel shortly. Let's see the admin panel. Here we have add some default admin accounts, and we directly hand it over to the shopkeepers. And we cannot create an admin from the register page. We can add a new admin from the admin panel only. Let's see existing admin account. This is the homepage of our admin panel. Here we have add some widgets like QR scanner, bill, notification, C orders, consultancy booking, FCM token, chat. Those are the functions that we have added to the admin. Let's see one by one. For the first, that's a QR scanner. Let's see the QR scanner and push notification function at the last, because it cannot be done within one mobile phone. Here, let's see the bill part. Through the bill button, we can the admin can maintain the daily transaction in a digital value. So he have less probability of making errors in the transaction history. Here, whenever people come to the shop and buy anything, he can update those things in this bill function. And if we select okay, for example, let's see the Salosia part. If we click the choose quantity button, here we can select the quantity and add. It will be added, and the product quantity will be decreased from the available plants. So we can maintain the quantity also in a flexible manner. That means if a customer come to the shop directly and buy a thing directly, you can think that it will not be updated in the system. No, we can update those things by this build function. We can add those things here, and it will be automatically updated in the user account that the quantity will be decreased, the quantity that they have bought. If we select that quantity, we can add the quantity, and here we can give the discount manually, and we can click the payment complete button. If we click the calculate total amount button, it will show the amount with the discount. And then the complete payment, if we click the payment complete button, it will be completed, and it will be saved in the bill section. Let's see the next part. And the C orders, it will be show all the pre-order bookings that we have done in the user panel. If any, these are the things that those users have been ordered in advance. And here it will show the email address and the quantity that he have ordered, and the payment status. That means, for example, the Kunarasa Darthian have ordered 10 orchid, and the payment is remain incomplete. here the status is also pending. If we complete the payment via online or in the shop, here the admin can change the status to pending to complete. If we click the finish button, let's see what happened. If we click finish button, here we can reconfirm that it will be vanished from the list, and in the Firestore, the status of that quantity product will be here. The product of the status of the product has been updated as complete, and payment is also complete. Here, if we click, if the admin get the money from the buyer, and if you click the finished button, it will be updated in the files also. Here we have added a delete button. So this button is we have created this button in order to avoid fake orders. If we click that delete button, it will be vanished from that list. And here the status will be updated as a cancelled. Okay, here we can search the items by using the search icon from the customer email address. We can search according to the email address. I'm quite sure that it will be helpful to reduce the time for the admin. And here, let's see the consultancy booking. It will show the booking that we have done previously in the user account. It will be shown in this part. Here, we have added two buttons, that complete and cancel. If we click the complete button, it will be vanished from this list. When the user complete his consultancy, we can click the complete button from the admin panel. And if we cancel that consultancy, it will be cancelled. If the user give a valid reason to cancel the booking, and he can inform in advance that I cannot able to come to see the expert in that particular date, so I wish to cancel this consultancy, then we can cancel this booking. And then the chat box. Here we have had a new chat from the previously done user panel, and we can reply to that message from that pin chat. In this screen, we can see all the messages from all the users. Yeah, if we reply to that, it will be shown to the user. And then this is the FCM tokens. Let me give a small description about FCM token. It is used for push notification. When a user login to the user page in a device, the device should have an FCM token. If a user login to a default account from two different devices, it will provide two different FCM tokens. The FCM token will be provided for a particular device. So if, for example, let's see the Kumar 10,000 at gmail.com. If he log into the account from mobile phone, he will provide an FCM token of a new one. And if we log into the same account from a laptop, it will provide another FCM token. So it will be updated. And here we can use this FCM token for push notification. We can search the email addresses, and we can fetch his FCN token, and we can send push notification. Let's see the push notification in last part, because it's also hard to do it in a single-handed desktop. And now let's see the here. This is the UI of push notification. Let's see the last. Here manage plants and equipments. Here we can add the plants and equipment uh, of the shop by the admin. If we click the plants button, and we have all the categories that have been provided in the user panel. Let's see here. These are the plants available at our store. And these are the things that we have showed to the user panel. We can change those things. We can delete and we can edit the name or price or quantity according to the availability of our shop. We can change those things. If we change the quantity to 100, it will be automatically updated in the user panel. And we can use the search bar also. We can change any indoor plants or any outdoor plants, flowering plants, medicine plants, any plants according to availability. And also we can change the equipment to the same functions. And we can upload a new plants and equipments from this site. Let's see how to upload a new plant. We haven't default picture in our device, so we use this image as a new plant. And we can select the type as plant or equipment. If we click the plant button, there are some categories we have divided those plants, and those category will be shown, and we can select a category from those one, and we have to put the name for that, and we can set a price, and we can give a description about those plan, because this will attract the user and the quantity that the shop has. And if we upload, here a message shown as upload successfully, it will be uploaded in the user panel. And let's see the special offers. Here we can set the special offers to plants and equipment separately according to the season or our preference. Not our preference, according to the shopkeeper's preference, they can set an offer, and it will be shown in the banner of the home page that the user has been shown. Okay, then we can see the ratings that the user have given to us. These are the ratings that they have given to us. And in the my account, we can change the profile picture, username and contact number as the same function that we have in the user panel also. Here we can also change our account details. And the manage user account, we can see all the users that our application have. And here we have a button as block. If we block anyone that seems harassment or fraud or fake orders, we can block those users. For example, here, if we block this user, he will be blocked and he'll be shown in the blocked user account. And if we think, no, we have blocked the user incorrectly, and we can unblock him again. From this function, we can maintain a genuine users for our shops. And then here we can add a new admin. Only by this side we can add admin. We cannot register admin from the register page. Here only we can register a new admin. So if we give this application to the shop owner, he can give authority as admin to anyone that he prefer to. He can give the access to anyone that he wanted to. So anyone can't be admin without the knowledge of the shopkeeper. That's why we have done this way. Here, the successful alert box has been shown. By this way, we can add a new admin. Okay, these are the functions that we have added to the admin panel, and we have added an additional part as session timeout. Uh, as default, we have set 7 minutes as session timeout because these both the user account and the admin account has some security reasons. We have added the session timeout. But for demonstration purpose, let's change the session timeout time to 10 seconds, and let's see how it's working. If the application is inactive for 10 seconds, it will be automatically log out. Here timer has been reset successfully. If we click any button, the timer will be reset successfully. If we didn't do anything in the application, let's see. Here after the 10 second, it will automatically log out. Okay, let as that way we can send notification to the user. We by adding the FCN token newly, we can change the participant that are going to receive the message, and we can send all the messages to anyone that we have wished to. And then we have added the QR scanner. uh, in this field, we have had two separate category to see scan plans and equipment booking. And if we click the scan plans and equipment booking, by scanning the QR code generated by the user, it will be shown the plans and equipment that he has booked. And if we click the scan consulting booking, when we scan the QR code of the user, it will show the booking of the consultancy booking of the user. So for this function, we have separately did it in two parts. We can see the demonstration in the last part. and we have add the logout function too. If we click the logout, we can go to the home screen again. So this is our mobile application that we have done for the React client. Thank you for your patience.